Avocados make lovely houseplants, and you can always transplant your young tree outdoors once it gets large enough to produce fruit. Hey plant lover, welcome back. How many times have you failed avocado transplantation from water to soil? My guess, every single time. If no, then you got to be an expert of the highest order. Give yourself a pat on the back. Now, some of us haven't had that kind of luck. So this video will discuss how to make sure the young avocado plant not just survives the transfer, but also starts growing rather aggressively. As we begin, please hit that subscribe button and yes, press the notification bell also. Start with an avocado seed from a ripe avocado fruit, whether it's Florida, California, a Hass, or a bacon avocado. The type of avocado doesn't really matter. Try to keep the seed intact. Don't cut into it with your knife to remove the pit. Wash and dry the pit, gently scraping away any green flesh. Submerge the seed in water. Fill a glass with room temperature water. Insert 2 toothpicks into the tapered top of the avocado seed. Then rest the toothpicks on the rim of the glass, allowing the broad end of the seed to sink into water while the top end remains dry. Place the glass on a windowsill, preferably in a sunny spot that is out of direct sunlight. Check on your avocado seed every day. Monitor the seed's new growth and replenish the water as needed to keep the bottom edge of the seed submerged. Your seed should start to develop roots and a sprout in 2 to 8 weeks. When the stem is about 7 inches tall, prune your avocado plant by cutting it down to about 3 inches. Transfer your avocado plant to a pot filled with soil. When your avocado plant has grown new top leaves, you can plant the seed in soil. Don't wait more than 3 weeks after pruning. Fill the pot with sandy potting soil and insert the seed in the potting mix with the seed and the stem exposed. Water your avocado plant immediately. Give your avocado plant an occasional deep soak, letting the soil dry out in between waterings. That was today's video. Hopefully, you won't have a disappointing end to the avocado propagation going forward. Please make sure you like and share this video with your friends, family, and colleagues. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate and just share. We'll have a discussion. We just crossed 11,000 subscribers count. Thank you so much. I wish you great energy and luck to raise plentiful plants. I'll see you again real soon with another exciting video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.